and egg. I'm gonna use 2 eggs for this one. So yeah. Yes. I don't like how I break my eggs. Okay. You see that? Then I use yeast. I use this one. I want it to be good, so I use that. And I'm gonna use a little bit. This one. Not too much. That's awesome.